The measure of a great coach is not how many qualifications you have or how many hours you have coached, it's achieving positive, measurable results. This is why the Marshall Goldsmith Coaching Culture Excellence Award celebrate organizations that excel in creating coaching culture for results. A coaching culture unleashes the full potential of individuals, accelerating talent development for high performance, sustainable growth, and competitive advantage. Named after Dr. Marshall Goldsmith, the world's preeminent executive coach, this award is a collaboration between Dr. Marshall and ITD World. Both are driven by a shared desire to transform leaders and change the world for the better. By applying for this award, your organization gains a distinctive distinction that sets themselves apart from their peers in having built, maintained, and perpetuated a robust coaching culture. Participating in the award enables you to drive organizational momentum for peak talent development within your organization. You also perpetuate industry leadership by driving transformation for breakthrough results and gaining a competitive advantage in winning the Marshall Goldsmith Coaching Culture Excellence Award. Winners are chosen by a distinguished panel of global coaching gurus, experts, and former presidents of the International Coach Federation that ensures the highest evaluation standards. Showcase your outstanding achievements, celebrate your excellence, gain visibility, and inspire others by participating in the Marshall Goldsmith Coaching Culture Excellence Award. To be a part of this prestigious award, simply scan the QR code on your screen and demonstrate the impact you've made in the field of coaching. Join us as we honor organizations that have embraced coaching culture and have made a lasting difference. The Marshall Goldsmith Coaching Culture Excellence Award is where transformation begins. Visit our website for more information and start your journey towards outstanding recognition and excellence.